So this video is brought to you by Sassinahair. They sent me 2 bundles of clip-in extensions with some cute little knickknacks like combs and clip-ins and lashes. And what I have is 2 bundles of 4C Kinky coily texture. They're 14 inches in length and they're a natural black color. And they're tightly wrapped. I'll make sure I put some information down below in the description box to these clip-ins. But what was in each bundle actually is 1 clip-in, and then there's 3 2-clip extensions, then there's 2 3-clip extensions, and then there was 1 4-clip extension. So what I decided to do was take the 4-clip extension and cut it into a 2-clip extension because I just kind of felt that would be easier since I will be applying this to my tapered hair. So the tools that you are going to need is box color, aluminum foil, applicator, and some gloves. So let's get started. So this I got from Walmart. You don't have to get an expensive hair color. This is a lot easier than dealing with developers and powders and toners and all of that stuff. All you have to do is look at the side of the box to see what color it would change to, especially if you are working with dark hair. So I evenly spread the 1 bundle into halves, and this is the developer and the liquid color. So you just add it together, mix it up by shaking the bottle, and then all you have to do is cut the bottle and apply the color to the hair. So when you do that, make sure that you change the direction of your brush from, horizontal to vertical so that it really gets into the hair and saturates it very good. Make sure you also flip on the other side and apply the color even if you have gotten a chance to get it all the way through and soaked. So after I was done applying, I actually left this on for an hour. It actually says 30 to 45 minutes. But you don't have to use a shampoo, you just rinse it out. You use the Dark and Lovely Moisture Rich Conditioner that it comes with the box, and you just use that to condition the hair. Leave it on for, a few minutes, maybe about 15 minutes, and then you just rinse it out. So my goal was to actually try to match my own hair color. This is actually the color it was when I first got it colored, but my personal hair has already lightened a little bit more. So I'm just going to add the extensions in because I am going to show you how well the color actually did work very well with my own hair. So as you can see here, I'm preparing myself to add in the clip-ins. I only use 5 of the sets that's in there, and you can just watch me clip each one in. So I use Jessie Curl's Confident Coils to style the hair. It's great to do a twist out, which is what I'm going to do. It's better to do a twist out on with clip-ins already in your hair. That way your hair blends in with the hair that you are using. I don't really suggest that you twist your own hair and then later add the clip-ins. I just think it just makes it look better if you just twist the clip-ins along with your own hair so you'll have a better blend. So on to the shorter parts of my hair, again adding water with conditioner in it, using the Jessie Curl Confident Coils as my styler. Magic Twist sponge that I got from my local beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure your guys are like, could you put this in real time? Just make sure you go in a circular motion. Don't press your head to your scalp or press it towards your scalp. Just move in a circle, just brush it along the tips of your hair. And it depends on your curl pattern and which direction that you go, but as you can see, it gives you instant texture, coily texture without having to do any form of a twist out or two-strand twist. So what I did was, while the hair was drying, because it was still wet from the styling products, I just went ahead and just kind of pinned it up, and I wore my hair in a hat and wore it like that for the rest of the day. So as you can see here, I had my hat on. It's Michigan, it's cold here. So for my night routine, I actually took it a loose because you see how it kind of set, like wrinkled. That's a weird way to say it. But re-wet and, well, re-moisturized and re-put the styler in, and then I wrapped the twist into my bed cap and went to bed. So the next day, this is the twist out, or the moment of truth where you get to see the styling. So just restyling my shorter areas of my head, because you know it smashes up against itself when you're sleeping. So use some oil and I begin to release the twist. So that the hair will look a little bit more natural, I cut in a blunt cut, giving it some shape and giving it some volume and some layers. But yeah, that's what I did next, just so it would look a little bit more realistic. Did a lot of picking through and pulling through, and you know, just cutting just to add shape and texture to the side of the hair. Then I use my comb to kind of comb that out so that it doesn't look so uniform. And this is all the hair that I cut. I didn't cut a lot, guys, don't worry. And this is the final result. As you can see here, you probably can see where my strand of hair is slightly lighter, but it's nice to know that it did blend in pretty well. So that's it, guys. I will be playing around with these clip-ins more in the future. I'll make sure you guys see that video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you watch the previous one of my signature hairstyle, and I'll see you guys in the next video.